There was a swap meet just yesterday at the American Legion Hall on Winton Road in a suburb of Cincinnati. My best guess is that at least 75% of the items for sale there were an O-gauge, so yay! I'm starting to recognize sellers from previous shows, and I arrived early to take advantage of lower-priced goods that might sell quickly.
You all four came together.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Did he send you the lie that he didn't he was going to come?
There have been times when I needed a set of wheeled trucks to repair or complete a project, but why pay $4 or even $5 per truck when you can buy a whole car for $5 and get 2 trucks plus other parts for future projects? Look how cheap these freight cars are. And then I saw this passenger car for $10, which was exactly like one I bought from the same seller months ago. It even had the same lettering applied for Chesapeake and Ohio, printed from a label maker. There were quite a few die-cast cars and trucks for sale, but I have enough of those, unless it's something undecorated but in white paint. Those are good for custom inkjet decal projects. I did see one Super King semi from Matchbox, but it was incomplete and a little too expensive. A powered Lionel GP7 for $50 is a great deal, but not something I really need. Then there were a whole lot of really nice locomotives that were either out of my price range or simply too nice to repaint. I felt pretty good when I saw this unpainted gray F3 shell for $30. I recently bought the same thing on eBay, plus an undecorated F3B shell together for $30, and then only an additional $10 for shipping. At some point, I might like to own a Lionel B&O F3 set, but not this one for $350.
He was going to come.
I don't know much about pre-war tin plate trains, but there were a few here. I'm mainly interested in diesel locomotives and passenger cars. I'm always keeping my eyes open for bargains, trains that need to be repainted or repaired. I did buy something yesterday, and I spent less than $50. I'm really excited about these purchases. 3 things came home with me from a manufacturer that doesn't really have much representation in my collection. Check out my next video to find out what. If you enjoyed this one, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.